Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to change default apps for your web browser and messaging on Android. Installing a new communication tool or third-party browser won't automatically route your external links or incoming SMS texts, but updating your primary handler rules ensures your favorite software opens every single time. First, open the Settings apps. Scroll down the Primary Options menu list and click directly on Apps. Click on Default Apps. To switch out your primary internet handler, click on Browser app from the configuration listing. Look at your available installed options and tap the selection bubble right next to your preferred alternative browser to immediately change your system-wide link routing rules. Click the back arrow once to return to your main default apps selection framework. Now locate the configuration row block explicitly labeled SMS App and click on it. Review your list of texting platforms and tap the selection bubble right next to your chosen application tool to route all incoming cell carrier texts away from your stock client. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.